Bringing a newborn home is exciting, beautiful, and sometimes overwhelming. If you're a new parent wondering how to manage daily baby care, this simple daily baby care checklist will help you feel confident and organized from morning to night. Start the day by checking your baby's basic needs. Gently wake your baby if needed and begin with a diaper change. A clean diaper keeps your baby comfortable and prevents rashes. Take a moment to check for redness or irritation and apply diaper cream if necessary. Next comes feeding time. Whether you're breastfeeding, formula feeding, or combination feeding, ensure your baby is fed on demand. Watch for hunger cues like rooting, sucking motions, or hand-to-mouth movements. Feeding isn't just about nutrition, it's also bonding time, so hold your baby close and maintain eye contact. After feeding, burp your baby to release trapped air and reduce discomfort. Keep your baby upright for a few minutes to help digestion and minimize spit up. Bathing doesn't need to happen every day, but daily hygiene is important. Gently wipe your baby's face, neck folds, hands, and diaper area with warm water or baby wipes. If it's bath day, use lukewarm water and mild baby soap, keeping the bath short and soothing. Clothing checks are part of daily care too. Dress your baby in clean, soft clothes appropriate for the weather. As a general rule, babies need one more layer than adults. Check hands, feet, and neck to ensure your baby is neither too hot nor too cold. Sleep is essential for growth and development. Follow a safe sleep routine by placing your baby on their back on a firm mattress with no loose blankets or toys. Watch for sleepy cues like yawning or fussiness, and encourage naps throughout the day. Don't forget tummy time. Even a few short sessions daily help strengthen neck, shoulder, and core muscles. Always supervise tummy time and make it fun with talking, singing, or toys. Health checks are another daily habit. Observe your baby's skin color, breathing, temperature, and overall behavior. If something feels unusual, trust your instincts and consult your pediatrician. Finally, include bonding moments throughout the day. Talk, sing, cuddle, and respond to your baby's cries. Emotional care is just as important as physical care, and your love and attention help your baby feel safe and secure. By following this daily baby care checklist, you'll create a routine that supports your baby's health, comfort, and happiness, while giving you peace of mind as a new parent.